ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि प्रथम अध्याय. In this 88th shloka that we are seeing the tika, नियमः परिसंख्या वा विध्यर्थोपि भवेद् यतः. Vidhi artha can be either niyama vidhi or parisankhya vidhi, but not apurva vidhi. And how this vidhi will work? Vidhi means injunction, some kind of injunction. Where we have to see this injunction? Atma va are drashtavyaha. That is the one which he is using for vidhi. So that Atma darshanam, how it can be? Anatma darshanenaiva paratmanam upasmahe. Anatma adarsanena, anatmanah adarsanena eva paratmanam upasmahe. So atma va are drashtavyaha, for that he has used anatma darshanam, means anatmanah adarsanam. And upasmahe comes from Atmetyevopasita, Vidya Sutra of Brahadaranyaka. So, Acharya is saying that how we will do Atma Upasanam means Atma Chintanam. Upasmahe here refers to Chintanam. How will we do Atma Chintanam? Parisankhya Vidhi will be, we will not do Anatma Chintanam. See the Tika on page 53, fifth line, sixth line. Pakshikatvena, from there we are going to begin. So, Anatma Adarshanam, Pakshikatvena Tulyatvena va Atmanatma Darshanayoho Prapta Vanatma Darshana Vyudasena Atma Darshanaya Niyama Parisankhye Sambhavata Ityartha. Niyama and Parisankhya both are applicable. So then what we have to do? Pakshikatvena Tulyatvena. Pakshikatvena Tulya. Pakshika, which vidhi is that?
Niyama vidhi.
Niyamo pakshike sati. So pakshikatvena tulyatvena, if Atma Darshana and Anatma Darshana are tulya. In other words, as much times when I think of aham, I think of myself as anatma, equal number of times viveka comes and I think of myself as atma. This is already advanced sadhaka. Earlier, the case that was given, in that first line, if you see on that page in Tika, Atracha Anatma Darshanasya Prabalyat, when Anatma Darshana is Prabala and Atma Darshanasya Aprabalyat, Atma Darshana is weaker, then Pakshika is there. But in that Paksha, Niyama Vidhi will come. Here, when the both Pakshas are Tulya, because in Parisankhya also you need more than one Vikalpa. I can do it this way or I can do it the other way. So then they will say, don't do it the other way. So niyama parisankhyayoho, they both are tulya. Pakshikatvena tulyatvena. So here tulyatva is Atma Darshan also is happening, Anatma Darshan is also happening. Atma Anatma Darshanayoho tulyattvena praptau Anatma Darshana vyudasena. I should reject Anatma Darshana. Means whenever I think of something as Anatma, forcefully I should not let myself entertain that this is Anatma. How I will entertain Atmatva? Atmatva is only possible if I have understood myself as Satchit. If I don't take myself as Sat and Chit Swarupa, I will not be able to take myself as one with others. Or seeing otherness in people, it will always remain if I have not recognized myself as existence and consciousness. So, Anatma Darshana Vyudasena, by rejecting Anatma Darshana, Atma Darshanaya Niyama Parisankhya Sambhavataha Ityarthaha. Then, in Atma Darshana, Niyama and Parisankhya both are possible. Niyama will be Atma Darshanam, I should do. Parisankhya will be Anatma Darshanam, I should not do. Both are possible. When Atma Darshana, Anatma Darshana is Tulya. Only when Anatma Darshana is Prabala. This much you are understanding, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes,
If
Swamiji.
Anatma Darshana is Prabala, then only Niyama Vidhi. If both are equal, you can do Niyama or Parisankhya. When Anatma Darshana is insignificant, then just do Parisankhya. Whatever Anatma Darshan is happening, just reject it and get it done with. So then it is easy. Whichever way. What is the main thing? I should recognize myself as Atma. And the entire creation is creation or vivarta of Atma alone. Atma alone is appearing as all this. So that is where my focus should be. Which vidhi and all, this is only to deal with the Mimansaka Purvapaksha. Because they will ask, Tavya Pratyay is there, vidhi should be there or not, what kind of vidhi. So we'll give some wonderful explanation to them so that they are convinced. But our main objective is not only in that. Our main objective is to actually do Atma Chintanam. That is the Mukhya Vastu. Yadva Atma Darshanasya Praptatvat. So in these, those Drishyanuvidya and Shabdanuvidya, Savikalpa Samadhi Abhyasas we can use. So that mind is trained to think only of Atma in this way. Yadva Atma Darshanasya Praptatvat. Actually, this portion in Brihadaranyaka, in Maitreya Brahmana, all this also comes, where Yajnavalkya ji is teaching Maitreya that Atma is Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karanam of Jagat. So you hear it, you see some example, but that buddhi doesn't come. I never feel I am Jagat Karanam because I never feel I am Satchidananda. I don't feel Jagat and Satchidananda has some connection. So this will not happen on its own. For this, I have to put forth serious effort. Means so much Shravanam, so much Vairagya, then it will happen, not otherwise. आत्मदर्शनस्य प्राप्तत्वात् अपूर्व विधि असंभवे अपि तद उपासनस्य अप्राप्तत्वात् विधिरस्तु इति अतः. Another way of explaining this is, somebody will ask, okay, Atmadarshana is prapta. Swarga is not prapta. Because Swarga is not prapta, Darsha Purnamasa Swarga Kamo Yajet can become Apurva Vidhi. Atmadarshana is prapta. In prapta Vishaya, Apurva Vidhi is not possible. So, Atmadarshana praptatvat, Apurva Vidhi asambhave api. Apurva Vidhi is not possible. But tad upasanasya apraptatvat. How to do Atma Chintana? The Chintan Vishaya, that is what is called here as Upasanasya. In the Upasana, Vidhi is not prapta. Or Upasana is not prapta. Therefore, in that we can do Apurva Vidhi. Tad Upasanasya apraptatvat. Vidhirastu iti ataha. So he says, I will tell you what Vidhi. Anatma iti. Anatma darshanenaiva atmo paratmanam upasmahe. Atmopasanam anatma darshana vyudasena. Atma darshana avrityaiva siddhyati. There you can just put to khandakara. Atmopasanam anatma darshana vyudasena. How will atma darshana happen? By anatma darshana. Atmopasanam means atma chintanam. Atma chintanam will require anatma darshana vyudasa, means elimination of anatma darshanam. Atma darshana avrityaiva siddhyati. You have to do atma darshana avritti. So in Brahma Sutra, 4th chapter, Avritti Asakrit Upadeshat. This is the first sutra of the 4th chapter. 411, I think. Avritti Asakrit Upadeshat. You have to do Avritti. Of what? Shravanam. Shravana Avritti you should do. Means Shravanam of that Shastra whose Vishaya is Brahmatma Ikya. This is one meaning of Avritti. But those who, let us say, complete the Prasthanatraya Adhyanam. So for them, again listening to everything, maybe for some people it may be needed. Because those who have studied, but if you ask them some question, what about this, what about that? I don't know. Haven't you heard? Yes, I have heard, or I might have heard. They don't know anything. For those people, see this, when I get the question, I should be in a position to convince myself what is the right thing, what is the right answer. If I get a question, is Jivatma Amsha of Paramatma or Jivatma Vikara of Paramatma? So, if I get the question, at that time, I should not say, maybe it is Amsha. Why you are saying maybe? Because I don't know whether this question is already discussed. Have I studied this already? What is the answer of Acharya? That I don't know. You say, look at Mandukya Karika, this is already discussed. Look at Brihadaranyaka Bhashya, this is already discussed. Oh. So, one thing is, when I study, I should know this point is discussed, this is the conclusion. So that when I face this question, either raised by myself or anybody, And I know it is neither amsha nor vikara. I have full conviction in that. You see, they have given the answer, but it is not my conviction. I think amsha theory is better. So then you will end up with different darshana. You understand this avritti shabda means not I have listened to one recording 25 times. This is not avritti. Have I understood the discussion? Do I have the convincing answer? This is called avritti. So when a person does not understand this, they go on listening to something, but they don't have clarity in this vishaya. And therefore, moksha is not there. I have heard, tatra ko mohaha kashrokaha ekatvam anupashyataha. I will tell you, Ishavasya Upanishad, 7th mantra, 2nd pada. Oh, very good. It's not 2nd pada, Uttarartha, Tritiya and Chaturtha pada. What is the use of that? And that same mantra is quoted in that Upanishad, and here it is there. Have you understood that for you there is no shoka moha? No avritti. So that's why when somebody says, I have a question, so I ask, is it important question or unimportant question? What is unimportant question? There could be totally unimportant question, but important question is ekatvam anupashyatah shoka moha nivritti. Person who sees ekatva will not have shoka moha. Okay. Ekatva darshanam means what? Aham brahmasmi. In other words, any situation in life I should face with this wisdom, that I am Brahman. Then I will not have shoka moha. Something happened, some tragedy, I am Brahman. Somebody criticizes you, I am not panchakoshatmaka, I am Brahman. Then there is no shoka moha. Otherwise, knowledge is in some corner and vyavahar goes on just like how I was suffering earlier. What is the use? So this avritya, atma darshana avritya, this word I am explaining. What is the meaning of atma darshana avritti? See, if somebody had said atma darshana means deha darshana, and you do avritti, what will you do? You stand in front of full-size mirror 25 times. This is what Virochana understood. When Prajapati ji said, this Akshi Purusha is Atma, he saw in Aksha the Deha, reflection of the body. He said, this is Atma. And to that person, if it is said, Atma Darshana Avritti, he will stand there. Atma Darshana Avritti means we should clearly understand, I have to repeatedly remind myself, I am not Panchakosha, therefore I am not Panchakosha based problems. I am Satchidananda, Shuddha, Utastha, Ananta. There is no Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Swagata Bheda in me. Tadeko Vashishtaha.
Shiva Kevaloham.
Shivaha Kevaloham. That is who I am. So then I should know what is Ekaha, Avashishtaha, Shivaha, Kevalaha, and Aham. Aham is Aham Pratyaya
Sure.
Alambana. Aham is Aham Pratyaya Alambana. I am the Adhisthana of Aham Vritti. This is Atma Darshanam. Elsewhere also there is a lot of elaboration. I just gave some pointers here. Atmadarshanaanam paunah punyena swata eva praptatvat tatascha nopasane api apurva vidhir ityartha. He says Atmadarshanam is also repeatedly available. Paunah punyena swata eva praptatvat tatascha upasane api na apurva vidhi. Upasane means in this Atmetyopasita, so in that, you say, in Atma there cannot be Vidhi. Why? Because Atma is Satata Prapta. Upasanam is also Satata Prapta. Repeatedly it is available. Atma Darshanam. Atma Darshanam is Atma Anubhava. Atma Anubhava is always there. And therefore there also Apurva Vidhi is not there. Means we settle with only two, either Niyama or Parisankhya. Now see Moolam further. Page 53. Yachoktam Vishwaso Nanyatosti na iti. Vishwaso Nanyo Asti na. This is shloka number 15. Page number 13, I think. 14. Page number 14. Vishwaso Nanyato Asti Naha. There it says Naha. Asmakam. What he says, in Shruti and Smriti, in that shloka it was said by Purvapakshi, Jnanasya Vidhi, we have tried so much, we did not get any Vidhi for Jnanam. Therefore, there is no Vidhi, and therefore Jnanena Moksha is not possible. What about other Shastra? He says, other than Shruti and Smriti, we don't have any Vishwasa. That is this Vakya. Asmakam anyataha Vishwaso na asti. Anyataha means if some other source is there, from that, like other Shruti, outside of Shruti Smriti, some other Grantha, other Acharyas, they say, Purva Mimamsakas are very strict in this. They say if it is not in Veda, it is, we are not going to believe it. They also don't believe in this yogis, those who say, miracle. They say there is no such thing. And if somebody says, our Guru has said, that also they don't accept. They say there is no our Guru. If your Guru's Vakya is matching with Veda, it is Pramana. If your Guru's Vakya is not matching with Veda, your Guru is not Pramana. In other words, your Guru is not Pramana. Veda is Pramana. So, if somebody says, my Guru is saying something which is not said in Veda, it is not the praise of that Guru. In Vaidika tradition, if your Guru is saying something which is not said in Veda, then that Guru is not a Vaidika Guru. What should happen is, yes, that teacher is able to elaborate something which is not clear. Shruti doesn't have to elaborate everything. It is the job of Prakarana Grantha, other Acharyas, etc. So, let's continue. So, the Purvapakshi said, we don't have Vishwasa. Iti. Tadapi nidratura chetasa tvaya swapnayamanena pralapitam. that also nidratura chetasa, nidratura cheto yasya saha nidratura chetas or nidratura chetaha tasya nidratura tena nidratura chetasa tvaya tritiya. You whose mind was half asleep. Nidra atura cheta means Nidra is so eagerly waiting for this person. Swapnaya manena tvaya. You who were dreaming. This is a pralapa. At that time, you know this happens sometimes. Person is half asleep. Then you ask them some question. And what they will answer, some words will come out, some words will not come out. Like in class, if somebody is dozing off, and suddenly you ask some question, like Kapila. Kapila is a horse or Manushya, something like that, or a dog. Horse or dog? Say a little louder, and that person is half asleep. Whatever comes first to his mind or whatever he hears, that he will give the answer. Kapila is a cow. So, this is Nidratura chetasa tvaya swapnayamanena pralapitam. Shanach pratyaya is given here. Swapnayamanam. Why? King karanam? He said, nahi vayam praman balena aikatmyam pratipadyamahe. This is beautiful thing. This is what Sureshwaracharya has given. Nahi vayam praman balena aikatmyam pratipadyamahe. We are not saying Jivatma Paramatma Aikya on the strength of Pramana. Why? Aikatmyasya swata eva anubhava matratmakatvat. Aikatmya is swataha anubhava matra. By itself, it is the experience of all in Sushupti. Anubhava matratmaka aikatmya. Aikatmya means where all bheda buddhis are gone. So it is not that because Shruti is saying Aikatmyam, therefore it is. Our Anubhava is there. So here, Shruti, Yukti, Anubhuti, what we say, either you take all three, or you say Anubhava is also Pramanam. Anubhava matratmakatva. Sitika on Nahi Vayam. Pramangamye vastuni tadabhavad avishwaso bhavati. Because Purvapakshi said, we don't have Vishwasa in other Shastras, other Darshana Acharyas, Granthas. Why? Because Pramanagamya Vastuni, that thing which is known only through Pramana, in such case, if there is no Pramana, tad abhavat avishwaso bhavati. This line is clear.
Yes.
Pramanagamya vastuni. Like Ghata. Ghata is Pramanagamya. Then, because it is Pramanagamya, Pataha, let us say, if Pramana is not there, then I will not have Vishwasa whether Pata exists or not. Because it is Pramanagamya. Chakshu Pratyaksha Pramana will reveal. So when that Pramana is not available, then I'll say I don't believe it. This Vakya is true for Pramanagamya, like Dharma Adharma. Because in case of Dharma Adharma, there is no Anubhava. You can do Anumanam that this person is Sukhi. Therefore, he must have done Dharma. This person is Dukhi. He is going through the Adharma Phalam. In this way, Anumanam is possible. But Anubhava is not there, direct. But in case of Atma, Swatah Siddhataya, Satatam Prakashamane, Punaratmani na Pramana Bhavad Avishwasa ityartha. Atmani, Punaha, Punaha means on the other hand here. And again, on the other hand, in case of Atma, Atmani is Vishaya Saptami. Atma is the Vishaya. Atmani doesn't mean in Atma. Atmani doesn't mean in Antakaranam. In, on, upon. This is not that. Atmani here means
Vishya Saptam. Vishya.
Vishaya Saptami means what?
With regard to Atma,
With
Atma is the Vishya.
Atma is the Vishaya. When Atma is the Vishaya, in that case, what kind of Atma? Satatam Prakashamane Atmani. Atma which is Satatam Prakashamana and Swataha Siddha. Because it is Swataha Siddha, Swataha Siddhataya Satatam Prakashamane Atmani. Then next part you have to read together. Pramana Bhavad Avishwasaha Na. In this way. In case of Swata Siddha Atma, there is no Pramanam. Pramana Abhavad, there is no question of Avishwasa. Avishwasa Na. Because it is
Swatasiddha.
Swata Siddha. Satatam Prakashma. So in that Vishaya where Swata Siddhatva is there, Satatam Prakashmanatva is there is no Pramanam needed. Later he will say there is no Pramanam possible. So Praman Abhavad Avishwasa Na. Therefore there is no question of Avishwasa. What did Purva Pakshi said? I did not see any vidhi of Jnanam in Shruti Smriti. And outside of Shruti Smriti, I don't have Vishwasa. This was Purva Pakshi's Vakya. So what Siddhanta is saying, you don't need to see in Shruti Smriti because Atma is Swata Siddha. For Dharma Dharma, you see in Shruti Smriti because they are Pramanam. Atma is Swata Siddha. Therefore, you don't need Pramanam. There is no Pramanam for Swata Siddha Atma. Pramana Abhavat. Then immediately we'll say when we start studying, all you say is Shruti Pramanam, Shruti Pramanam, Shruti Pramanam. In Naishkarma Siddhi we come with, you say, what is Shruti Pramanam? So, Shruti is Pramanam for Avidya Nivritti. Shruti is not Pramanam for Atma Pratipadanam. Atma Vishayaka Avidya Nivritti, when it takes place, Atma is Swata Siddhataya Satatam Prakashamana. That's what we say, Swabodhe Nanya Bodhecha. Bodharupataya Atmanaha. Atma itself is Bodharupa. Anya Bodha is not needed. Atma is Swatah Pramanam. You don't need another Pramanam for Atma. So this vakya of the moolam also should be clear. Nahi vayam praman balena aikatmyam pratipadyamahe. Aikatmyasya स्वतः एव अनुभव मात्रात्मकत्वात्. टीका प्रत्यक्षादीनाम् एवं विषयत्वात् तेषां स्वारंभक विषयोपनिपातितत्वात् इत्यादिना च अयम अर्थो वर्णयिष्यत इत्याह. अतएव. This is going to be the first sentence of the second chapter. प्रत्यक्षादीनाम् अनेवं विषयत्वात् तेषां स्वारंभक विषयोपनिपातितत्वात्. This is how he will begin the second chapter. So ityadina cha ayam artho varnayishyate. He will talk about this. Now what is the meaning of this? At least understand now here. Elaboration will come then. The meaning of this vakya is three things you should keep in mind. One is indriya. Second is the vishaya of that indriya. Third is Sukshma Pancha Mahabhuta. What is the first thing?
Indriya, Vishaya of that Indriya.
Indriya,
Indriya,
Vishaya of that Indriya.
Vishaya,
Vishaya. Third,
Sukshma Pancha.
Sukshma Pancha.
Pancha Mahabhuta. So like if I say Shabd, Shrotrendriya, Shabda Vishaya, then
Akasha.
Akasha.
these three is a pair or a group. Shrotrendriya, Shabda Vishaya, Akasha. Why this is the group? Because from Apanchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta called Akasha, Shrotrendriya is also born, Shabda is also born. This you already know, so we don't have to do much chintanam. You can just reflect on how everything is Pancha Mahabhuta. This Indriya, Vishaya, Pancha Mahabhuta. Okay. I will give you the third one. You have to give these two. Okay. Tejaha.
Chakshurindriya and
Agni.
What is this?
Chakshu.
Rupa.
Rupa.
Rupa. Vishaya is Rupa. Chakshurindriya, Rupa, Tejaha. Like that. Now you see this line. Pratyakshadinam, pratyakshadi pramananam, anevam vishayatvat. Anevam vishayatvat, Atma is not the vishaya of pratyakshadi pramana. Or pratyakshadi pramana do not make Atma as their vishaya. Adipadena, all the other, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda, Arthapatti, Anupalapti, all you can take. This Drishtanta, first he gives only this line. So, Pratyakshadinam anevam vishayatvat, tesham swarambhaka vishayopanipati tattvat. Tesham Pratyakshadinam swa arambhaka. So, Shrotrendriya, its arambhaka is?
Sabda.
No,
Indriya.
you have to see here also. Its arambhaka is?
Akasha.
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 Akasha's Vishaya is, means Akasha is also Karanam for Shabda.
Shabda.
Therefore, because Shrotrendriya and Shabda both are born only from Akasha, Shrotrendriya will make only Shabda as its Vishaya. ये उसका भाई है. Because they both have same father, same parent. So Shrotrendriya will access only Shabda because of Akash. Similarly, Sparsha, Chakshuhu, Ityadi Indriya. So Swa Arambhaka Vishaya, Swa, this is Swa, Indriya. Indriya Arambhaka is Panch Mahabhuta. It's Vishaya. Swa Arambhaka Vishaya. Is this clear? How you see the connect? Swa Arambhaka Vishaya. Vishaye Upanipati Tattvat. Vishayopanipati Tattvat means Vishaye Upanipati Tattvat. Upanipatanam means they reach near, they fall there only. Shrotra Indriya will only go towards Shabda, nothing else it will get. Similarly, Anumanam will give you only Paroksha Jnanam. And Tad Vishayaka Jnanam, whose Vyapti you have, whose Vyapti Smaranam will happen, then, according to Nyaya, what are the three things needed? Vyapti Smaranam,
Paksha
Paksha Dharmata, and
Paramarsha.
Paramarsha. Three things are there, then only you will get Jnana. Vyapti Smaranam, Paksha Dharmata, Paramarsha. Only that Vishayak Jnanam, Paroksha Jnanam it will give. If I get Paroksha Jnanam of Brahma, my avidya will not go, because avidya is aparoksha. I can use this vidya for Jagat Mithyatva. See, somebody says, oh, so, just for the sake of argument, Anumanam is not never going to give me aparoksha jnanam. Atma is aparoksha. Atma Vishayaka avidya is paroksha or aparoksha? Aparoksha. Aparoksha avidya will go only with aparoksha vidya. If vidya is paroksha, what is the use? You see, pratyaksha pramana, will it give you avidya nivritti, aparoksha vidya nivritti? Yes or no?
No. No.
Do you use pratyaksha pramanam whole day or not?
Yes.
So like that, Anumana Pramana may not remove avidya about Atma. But Anumana Pramana can give me conviction about Jagat Mithyatva. Dvaita Nisheda it can do. So, that is where I want more effort. My problem is not Atma Anubhava. My problem is I give so much reality to Dvaitam. Jagati Satyatva Buddhi is my biggest problem. That there is no Sukham outside, this is another problem. I am not convinced. Anumanam will help me in this. So just as whole day I use Pratyaksha Pramanam, whole day I have to see Drishyatvam, Mithyatvam, Drishyatvam, Mithyatvam. I can do that. This will come from Vyapti. So like this, Anumanam will help me to strengthen my jnanam about Atma. Not directly, then indirectly. So Swarambhaka Upanipati Tattvat, Upanipatanam, Upanipataha, if I say Upanipatanam, Upani Upasarga Purvaka Pat Dhatu. If I say Upanipataha, Ghai Pratyay. If I say Upanipatanam, Lyut Pratyay. Lyut Pratyay. इत्यादिना च अयम अर्थो वर्णयिष्यत इत्यतः अतएव इन मूलम सर्व प्रमाणावतार असंभवम वक्ष्यति प्रमाण व्यवस्थायाश्च अनुभव मात्राश्रयत्वात् and therefore सर्व प्रमाण अवतार असंभवम वक्ष्यति. All pramanas cannot reveal Atma. सर्व प्रमाण अवतार असंभवम Vakshati, Acharya himself will say. See now, Sureshwaracharya himself says Vakshati. So Vakshati kaha Vakshati? Sureshwara. He himself is saying, somebody will say. Somebody means in this text he himself is going to say. and pramana vyavasthayaha cha anubhava matra ashrayat. Pramana vyavastha depends upon anubhava, not anubhava depending upon pramana vyavastha. You see in tika you see kincha प्रमाणादीनां सिद्धेः अनुभवाधीनत्वात् न अनुभव रूपस्य आत्मनः सिद्धि प्रमाणाधीना. प्रमाणादीनां सिद्धेः प्रमाणादि how they are siddha अनुभवाधीन their siddhi is. प्रमाणादीनां सिद्धिः अनुभवाधीना न अनुभव रूपस्य आत्मनः सिद्धिः प्रमाणाधीना. Atma is anubhava rupa. Its siddhi is not through praman. But this doesn't mean that instead of Rajju I see Sarpa. And because it is my anubhava, Sarpa is my anubhava. So therefore, Sarpa, somehow I have to prove there is Sarpa. I have to convince pramana based on my anubhava. That anubhava, if it is badhita, then it is apramanik, it is bhranti. Abadhita, when they say anubhava means it should be abadhita anubhava. Abadhita by any other pramana, because except for Atma, Atma's anubhava is swata siddha because Atma is Chaitanya. All anatma anubhava, through whichever pramana it comes, if anya pramana will do badha of that, then that anubhava is of no value. But anubhava rupasya atmanaha siddhihi na pramanadhina. And therefore he said pramana vyavastha is pramana vyavasthayascha anubhava matra ashrayatvat. See one more line in tika. Anubhava matra ashrayatvat. Anubhava alambanatvat. Anubhava matra adhinatvat. So sometimes in this book, two khandakaras are not given, like anubhava alambanatvat. So is not given, only one is there, but you should understand there are two. Anubhava matra ashrayatvat means anubhava alambanatvat, anubhava matra adhinatvat iti yavat. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.